Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We would like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic, and we'll try to forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The European currencies are closing this trading week with a rapid rally. Apart from improving Brexit prospects, they are benefiting from the weakness of the US dollar. Hi Peter, from the point of technical analysis, do you think the euro has grounds for keeping its advance?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what we got in the recent days is that basically this currency pair are traded in the sideways regime. Most recently, I found a spike up, mainly due to the potential deal with Brexit and some news from the Eurozone. But in my opinion, there is a still chance for a more downside on this currency pair because we got basically still lower highs and lower lows basically on the daily time frame, and there is a chance for potential ABC, a type of structure and potential end of the upward correction. Of course, it's early to say can we potentially reject and go more downside. But my advice is for sure not to watch for buying opportunities after this big trend update. So my advice is still watch for selling opportunities if you see any kind for potential rotation, any kind of maybe selling divergence on MACD or stochastic oscillator basically on 8-hour time frame or something like that, or 4-hour time frame, then watch potential selling opportunities. The downward targets are basically set at the price of 1.0950 and 1.0900. These levels are basically the targets based on the previous price action. Again, the spike up on the euro that we got most recently, it's not confirming anything yet, and there is a still chance for more downside on this currency pair.
Do you expect the pound sterling to continue the uptrend?
On the British pound versus US dollar, what I found basically is there is a potential for the head and shoulders pattern, and I found that there is I think about 1 mount of head and shoulders, and the neckline is basically the 1.2210. So this level is very critical support for the British pound versus US dollar. Watch for potential breakout of this level in order to confirm this head and shoulders. The target can be basically set at the 1.2 level, so price can go even 200 pips down in case of the successful breakout of the 1.2210. Again, head and shoulders is present. I didn't saw any upside pattern or anything which will confirm eventual further bullish movement. So still, again, everything is basically on the downside, and 1.2210 critical support for the further downside. Watch for selling opportunities.
Amid the growing appetite for risk, the dollar-yen pair managed to escape from the trading range. For how long?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, basically, I didn't change my view since last two forecasts, basically, because there is a potential for the end of the downward correction on the daily time frame, something like ABC type of correction, and the price basically did rally back. And I do expect, because the 106.70 is a critical support in this currency pair, that level actually held successfully for days in the background. So I do expect another push higher on this currency pair, and eventually you will watch for buying opportunities, maybe watch for a 4-hour time frame, some bull flag on a 240 or something like that. Watch for any bull continuation pattern if you can find in the future, and potential target upward is set at the price of 108.40. Again, USDN is poised to go up, and in my opinion, as long as this 106.70 can hold, as long as this level can hold, watch for buying opportunities.
Thank you for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the link up on InstaForex TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading, and see you soon.